We've all seen the attachment too large error. Email caps you at 25 megabytes, but Google Drive allows for files up to 5 terabytes. However, sending a massive file safely requires more than just a link. Let's set up a secure transfer. The fastest way to send a large file is directly inside Gmail. Click the Drive icon. This doesn't just attach the file, it creates a secure portal to it. Once you hit send, Google will automatically ask you to set permissions for the recipients. This is your first security gate. If you're sharing sensitive data, like a legal contract or a large database, don't just give them editors access. Set them as a viewer. This ensures they can see the file but can't change it or move it. Click that settings gear and disable their ability to download or print. Bypass the limits and keep your data under your control. If you're ready to master the rest of the Google Admin Console, check out our full playlist.